talking with Eric Reed. And, what's it been like getting out there now after the first 3 or 4 days, both varsity and freshmen together, practicing with everybody?
It's definitely part of my dream, a harder part of the dream, but it's something that I can look forward to and get that work in, try to see the field a little bit this year.
There's some guys, maybe some of them that are sitting over there that really kind of give you some help, not just tease you and do all that stuff?
Oh, yeah, it's definitely fun. We always teasing each other, especially if we mess up a little bit, but it's all in good fun. We try to help each other out.
And what are the things, parts of your game you think you're working on the most right now?
Definitely just learning the playbook. As far as being an athlete, coaches don't get our technique and our position right. I just got to get the plays in my head and let everything else take over.
Okay, and for you right now, is it really just getting better at safety, learning all that, getting to know your teammates, or is it also thinking about special teams yet?
Oh, definitely special teams. Coach Joe Wild asked me to help him out a little bit, and if that's how I get on the field, then that's how I get on the field.